Hello. This video shows you how to use the Hotellinx Cloud mobile application for waiters. The application is intended for taking orders and is seamlessly integrated with Hotellinx Cloud point of sales and its kitchen printers, and with Hotellinx Cloud stock control. The application can only be used in combination with Hotellinx Cloud. The Hotellinx Cloud mobile application must be installed on your phone or other mobile device and set up to connect to your Hotellinx Cloud database before you can use it. How to set up the application is explained in the Hotellinx Cloud mobile application setup video, and also in a document called Mobile Application, which you can find behind the flag on the Hotellinx Cloud main menu. Log into the mobile application with the same username and password that you use when you log into Hotellinx Cloud. After you have logged in, select the profile that you want to use. If it's used in different departments, several profiles may be available on the same device, for example restaurant, terrace, spa or conference. If an image has been uploaded to the device, you can see it as the background after you've selected a profile. The image can, for example, be a table chart, which makes it easier for you to pick the correct table account. Start selling to a new account or continue to add products to an open account, for example, a table. When you select vacant tables, you'll get a list of free accounts and can select the one you want by pressing its button. The account is opened and you can see its number at the top of the screen. You can now start selling to this account by pressing Add Product. All product profiles available on this device are shown, and when you select a profile, its products will be shown. Press the product that you want to sell. Default number of items is 1. If you want to sell more than one item, press the button for the number you want. If you want to place the product on a specific subfolio, press the number you want. The selected subfolio number is shown at the top of the screen. When you have made all selections, press Post Product to add it to the account. When the product has been added, you'll be redirected to the product selection screen. When you sell products in the mobile application, they'll show up immediately also in the point of sales screen and will be deducted from your stock too. Of course, this also works in the other direction, so when you sell something in the point of sales, you will see it right away in the mobile application too. You can always use the back button to return to the previous screen. Finally, the back button takes you to the screen where you select an account. You can remove products from an account or move them to or between subfolios. Open the account you want to handle and press Subfolios. You can remove a product from an account by pressing its Delete button. The number buttons are subfolio buttons, which you can use to move a product to the subfolio you want. The subfolio number is shown above its product rows. The application is on the first hand meant for taking orders, but can also be used to settle bills with cash. Open the account and press Settle. If the account has subfolios, there's a separate cash button for each of them. If you want to settle all subfolios in one, use the Cash All button. When you press Cash for a subfolio, this subfolio will be settled and its products disappear from the screen. If you need to print a receipt, you can do it with the reprint function in the Hotellinx Cloud point of sales. Thank you for watching this video about how to use the Hotellinx Cloud mobile application. There's another video that shows you how to set up the mobile application. And don't forget to watch our other Hotellinx Cloud videos as well.